The Olomu of Aran in Repodun local government area of Kwara State, Oba Abdulkarim Hadioti, has denied asking the APC not to come for campaign in his domain. The traditional rulers they associated himself Olomu in the council and people of the ancient town from a purported voice message in circulation asking the APC not to come to the community for a political campaign. Oba Adioti, in a statement by the spokesperson of Aran Development Association, Nnkankan in Aran, said there is no restoration or any political party from coming to campaign in the town. The traditional ruler urged members of the public to disregard the purported voice message, saying the unknown originator of the audio remain an enemy of peace, attempting to disrupt the existing peaceful coexistence in the community. Adioti said he had directed members of the Olomu in council and ODA to investigate the matter and the person behind the unfortunate audio with a view to punishing the unscrupulous elements in line with the law. The traditional ruler, who described himself as a father to all, said all political parties were welcomed to campaign in Aran when the